Hello everyone! Welcome to another OfficeLogic Shop tutorial video. We are continuing with the Herman Mirra 2 chair, and this video will show you how to replace the arms easily. Let's go! First of all, using a screwdriver, you have to release the seat off the clips. There is no need to remove the bolts or detach the seat from the chair. Although, we have a dedicated video about replacing the Mirra 2 seat if you want to check it out as well. Remove the clips for now, but make sure to save them. Now, lift the arm all the way up and unbolt the screw as shown. Don't forget to save the washer. You will need it when you install the new arm. Slide the new arm onto the railing, then reinsert the washer. You can now insert the screw and tighten it. Finally, reinsert the plastic clips to place the seat back. Easy, right? Then you should subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this.